Okay, Mill Creek Family Farms here with John, Wayne, and Rebecca's litter. 3 weeks old, and we're gonna start picking. So this is puppy number 1. He is a male, and I'll show you. You can see he's got a little bit of white on his chin, probably enough that you will always have white hairs there. Oh, big yawn. Okay. Not really anything on the chest there. He has a little bit on his underside, just speck between his legs, kind of just a little few different colored hairs. He may very, very lightly have some brindling, is what that means sometimes, like points, as far as maybe a little bit on his legs. Nothing noticeable at this age though. So pretty solid black. He's going to be just pretty solid black male. So there he is, just over 2 pounds. Puppy number 1. We'll be right back with number 2. We'll get one more face shot. Hey, buddy. Hey. Can you look over here? Hey. There you are. Okay. Puppy number 2 is one of the 2 buff males. He is the smaller of the 2 buff males and actually just barely the smallest of the 3 boys. He is 1.9 pounds. Just a really nice solid buff. Hey, buddy. Look this way. You're just gonna give us a hiney shot? There's your face. I'm gonna turn him around here. Turn him around here for us to see. There's that cute face. There it is. Okay, so puppy number 2, the smaller buff male. We'll be back with number 3. And here's puppy number 3. 1.675 pounds makes her of the 2 black females, the smaller one. The other black female will be next. So she's just slightly smaller than the other black female. What do you think, girl? You'll tell the difference between the 2 of them is the other black female has a little bit of white. This girl is pretty solid black. You'll see the little bit of a white chin on the other black female. So here is puppy number 3, black female. Just a little bit smaller and without that little bit of white. What are you crying for, girl? Come here. What's the matter? What's the matter? You sure are alert. Oh, she may need a potty too. She's almost acting like she needs a potty. Okay, we'll go on to number 4. Oh, that's a good one of you. Okay. Okay, puppy number 4. She's 1.72 pounds, so just slightly larger than puppy 3, the other black female. Are you sleepy? Did we wake you up? You can see she has just a little bit of white right there on her chin. And then just the itty bittiest spot of white on her chest. So there's female number 4. We caught number 3 at a wide awake time and you at a real calm time, didn't we? Oh, you're gonna move now. Okay, we'll let you do that. Maybe not. So there's number 4. Did your mama slamming the door scare ya? You jumped a little bit, didn't ya? So puppy number 4. All right. We'll be back with number 5. Here's puppy number 5. The buff female. She is 1.8 pounds. The only buff girl. We had 3 and 3 in this litter. 2 black females, 1 buff female, 2 buff males, 1 black male. She's maybe a little bit darker than her brother. Not by much, they're pretty similar. Brothers, I should say. Hey girl, turn around and look at us. There we go. Well, there she is, puppy number 5. And last but not least, number 6. He's the big boy, the biggest of the crew. Hey, turn around and look at us, Bubby. Come here. You're almost too big for me to get my hand on anymore. Got something on your eye. There you go. There he is at, what's he, 2.3, I think. Just right close to 2.3 pounds. I moved my paper. Stay on the blanket. We don't want you on the slick. There he is, number 6. Alright, so that is the 3-week-old puppies. We'll start on selection. I'll tell you about that in your email. For those of you watching this video that aren't one of these families, www.millcreekfamilyfarms.com or email us at millcreekfamilyfarms@gmail.com. We'd love to hear from you on our F1 AKC Champion Line Cockapoos. Bye-bye.